In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Swipe to Reply on Discord. If you find yourself accidentally replying to messages when swiping across your screen in Discord, you may be wondering if there's a way to turn off the Swipe to Reply gesture. In this video, I'll walk you through the process and explain what options are currently available so you know exactly what to expect. To begin, open the Discord app on your mobile device and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once the app has loaded, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen to open your user settings. This is where you'll find the various options for customizing your Discord experience. After opening user settings, take a moment to browse through the available sections. Discord includes settings for notifications, appearance, accessibility, voice, privacy, and many other features that allow you to personalize how the app works. However, when it comes to the Swipe to Reply gesture, you'll notice that there isn't a dedicated setting for turning it on or off. At the time of recording this video, Discord does not provide an option to disable the Swipe to Reply feature on either Android or iPhone. The gesture is built into the messaging interface, and there isn't a toggle within the app's settings to deactivate it. If you're triggering the gesture by accident, the best approach is to avoid swiping across messages while scrolling through conversations. Instead, try scrolling with a more controlled vertical motion so you don't accidentally swipe sideways on a message. This can help reduce unintended replies while browsing busy channels or direct messages. It's also a good idea to keep your Discord app updated. While there isn't currently a setting to disable Swipe to Reply, Discord regularly releases updates that introduce new features, improvements, and additional customization options. If this feature becomes configurable in a future update, you'll likely find the option within the app's settings. You can also share your feedback with Discord through its feedback channels. User suggestions often help shape future updates, and if enough people request the ability to disable Swipe to Reply, Discord may consider adding the option in a future release. For now, there isn't a built-in way to turn off the Swipe to Reply gesture, so using careful scrolling and keeping your app updated are the best ways to manage the feature until Discord introduces additional customization. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,